ever done something good to someone and they even didn't say thank you to you? It really hurts, right? We all had this experience that sometimes we help others, maybe financially, we give to some poor people some money, or maybe by some works, maybe a friend or someone asks help about maybe helping them in their study, in their job, or in their housework, or with keeping their children, or anything, and they even don't say thank you to us. And we think that it was a waste of time to help them. But what if I tell you all this kindness that you do is not actually a waste of time? Although they don't say thank you to you, even they never think about giving back this kindness to you. I want to tell you it's okay. Even if you do something good to others, you spend time for it, you spend money for it, and you maybe stop your own work and stop your daily things for them, and you do this good thing, but there's no return, it's okay. Yes, it's okay because God sees whatever you are doing. And it will definitely come back to you one day. I myself had this experience. I had this experience a lot. That I did something good to others, and without thinking about it, one day in future it returned to me. It came back to me. God will answer all the good things that you do. Whatever you do, bad or good, God sees it and will definitely return. It will return to us. It's always been like this. From centuries ago, there is a very beautiful verse from Saadi, a great Persian poet. He beautifully says, تو نیکویی کن و در دجله انداز که ایزد در بیابانت دهد باز. To means you. نیکویی means goodness. کن means do. Dar means in. Dejle is a river in Southwest Asia that flows through Turkey and Iraq. So it's a name of a river. And in this verse, it's actually just a metaphor of any river. Andaz is an imperative verb, means to throw. So altogether it's like To nikuyi kono dar dejle andaz. You do goodness and throw it in the river. By it, it refers to goodness. So you do the goodness and throw your goodness or cast your goodness in the river. Ke izad, ke means that. Izad means God. Dar means in. Biyaban means desert. Biyabanat, te here refers to you. Dahad means gives. Baz is like again. Or like baz dahad together means gives back. So all together it's like تو نیکویی کن و در دجله انداز که ایزد در بیابانت دهد باز. Do good and cast it into the river, for God will return it to you in the desert. It is so nice and beautiful that Saadi invites us to do goodness, to do something good to others without expecting any thanks or appreciation from others, because God sees it and God will return it to us, will give it back to us. We shouldn't expect others to give some thank you to us or to give something as a return to us, to do something good to us. It's actually better because God will do something good to us and will give it back. Instead of expecting return from others, we can expect return from God. This is more precious. Anything good that we do, we shouldn't be worried that if someone is watching us and is considering it to give it back to us, because God is watching us and will definitely take it back or give it back to us. We shouldn't be worried about others. Maybe people forget the good thing that we do, but God will never forget. God will always remember whatever we did, whatever good or bad. And whatever good we do, even if it is small, and it can be anything. It can be something financial. If we help others, it can be something by just helping others with their hard work. If they need our help in this moment, sometimes the good feeling that we offer them by helping them, this good feeling that we create in them, this goodness that we do, is something that is precious, is something that they need in this moment. When we fulfill their needs and we help them, this good feeling that we created will definitely come back to us. Maybe in a moment that we really need the help and we don't expect, this help comes to us. And maybe we think that all the doors are closed to us in our life, all windows are closed, and there's no light. In this moment, some light will come to us and a door can be opened to us. In this moment, it is maybe the result of the good thing that we did sometime in the past. Maybe we ourselves even forget, but God sees and never forgets and gives it back to us. So do goodness as much as you can and to whoever you can, because definitely it will come back to you. I really wish that all people in the world could have this chance to read Persian poetry and to read these beautiful verses that invites to being kind, because the life and the whole world could be a better place if anyone tries to be kind and there is no evil, there is no badness, there is no jealousy, or there is no negative personality or character. This advice that we can receive from centuries ago from Saadi really makes this world more beautiful, and it makes our life more beautiful and more enjoyable and more precious. If you are watching this video now, you are so lucky, because this is a new window that is open to you. There is a new door that is open to you, that you learn Persian and then you can have access to great Persian literature and poetry that invites to such a good morality and good lessons of life. Have you ever read anything in Persian literature, or have you ever learned anything from Persian poetry or Persian literature? And also, I would really like to know, have you ever done anything good to someone that unexpectedly it returned to you, it came back to you in a moment that you needed and you didn't expect it? And tell me, if you do something good to others, do you expect them to give it back to you? You're always waiting for them to tell you thank you, or to do something good to you that kind of they paid back to you, or not? You just do it and, as Saadi said, cast it into the river. To me, it's a really strange feeling when I do something good. It's like I do something that it's a very good feeling. I feel so peaceful after that. How do you feel after doing something good to others? Please let me know in the comments. And if you have any further question, ask your question in the comments. I will read all your comments and answer all your questions.